Okay, so for this first example of order of operations, we're going to simplify the expression 5 plus the quantity of 30 minus the quantity of negative 6 minus 1 squared. Remember, for order of operations, you need to follow PEMDAS. The P stands for parentheses, the E stands for exponents. Then remember, you multiply or divide from left to right, whichever operation shows up first. And finally, you add or subtract from left to right, depending on which operation shows up first. So if we take a look at this problem, anytime that we have grouping symbols or parentheses, you always need to work from the inside out if you have more than one set of parentheses. So for this particular problem, we need to start on the inside. Everything else in the expression is going to stay the same. So we still have 5 plus the quantity of 30 minus, but now if I combine negative 6 minus 1, that's going to give me a negative 7. Now that I've simplified that, if I look in my grouping symbol this time, I have a minus sign, so I have subtraction, but I also have negative 7 being raised to the second power. Because that's an exponent and exponents go next, I need to simplify negative 7 squared. Again, everything else in the problem stays the same. So I have 5 plus the quantity of 30 minus. Now when we square negative 7, that's negative 7 times negative 7, which is 49. If you look at what we have left in the brackets, we only have one other thing that we can do, which is 30 minus 49. And if we subtract 30 minus 49, that gives us a negative 19. Last, we need to combine 5 plus negative 19, and if I put that together, that gives me a negative 14. And I know that I've completely simplified the problem because I've gotten it down to just one value.